Hello. Today we will learn how to increase the JVM memory for qTest Manager. For larger scale production issues, it can help to increase the memory allocated to qTest Manager. The default is 4 gigabytes, which may be exceeded in large scale operations. To begin, we have logged on to our qTest Manager Windows server. Make sure you shut down qTest by going to the services page, finding the qTest service, and stopping. Once qTest has stopped, we will go ahead and open the File Explorer and navigate to our qTest deployment folder. Today we will look at qTest 9.9.1, open the qtestctl folder, and look for the Manager folder. We will need to open the build.gradle file located in the Manager folder. This controls deployment variables for qTest Manager. Edit it in your text editor, and we're going to do a Control F to find the XMX value. You will see all of the Catalina options located here. Note, all of them can be configured if you choose to, but we will not be touching those today as they are already optimized for performance. To increase the XMX value or the XMS value, you can change them here. Let's check how much RAM we have to see how much space we can give. So we will open the Task Manager again, go to Performance, and from memory we can see we have 16 gigabytes. With qTest off, we can see that only 3.5 gigabytes is being used. Even if qTest used a maximum of its currently allocated 4 gigabytes, that would still give us over 8 gigabytes of headspace. We're going to increase it to 8 gigabytes today to still allow some extra space after qTest is running optimally. We will change the 4 to an 8 and save. We will open the services page one more time and now restart qTest. To monitor changes to qTest, you may go to Manager, Build, Tomcat, Logs. Find today's log and make sure you can see the Catalina options listed. It will not be shown yet because qTest Manager will take a few minutes to start, but once qTest Manager has started up successfully, open this log file and we will review. Now that we have waited for our qTest Manager server to start back up, we can find the Catalina file from today's date and scroll down to the bottom. Here we will see the qTest startup message, and we will see all of the Java options passed. Do a control for XMX, and you'll see the one from earlier at 4G, and the one from just now at 8G. This concludes increasing the XMX value for the Java virtual machine for qTest. Thank you.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the Tricentis Academy channel to get the latest tips and tricks and user tutorials to help you best utilize Tricentis continuous testing platform. For more information, please click the links in the description.